I'm Til Kumari Sharma. The title of the poem is Mystic Nature. Mystic nature is to know people. Mystery of own and relatives is within thee. Mystical light is to have old and moral concept. Mystic nature is to have unique birth within the womb of amazing world.